Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making all of our glue. We have we're gonna make this slime. Yeah, we're gonna make some slime. We're gonna lose all of the rest of our glue. We have a big container, some Tide, and some glue left.
Wait, they can't see me. Okay, you opened it. Just put it right there.
Alright.
Okay.
Go ahead and pour it in.
Okay. Squish it out. Squish it out.
Enough.
I'm making all of it. There's more glue in here.
Go ahead and keep pouring it in.
There's a lot of glue in here still. There's not a lot of glue, but there's still more. We can save some if there's more. Right?
Enough.
Okay. And we're going to be pouring back later.
Look at all this glue.
You want to make a green slime. We're just going to make a white slime. And then we're going to get like some green in it. And we're going to take apart and put the food coloring.
Now we're going to add the Tide.
Okay. That's a lot of Tide.
Okay.
I'm going to mix it.
Yeah.
Mix it.
Can you guys see?
It's the first slime video with my brother. And he's mixing it right now. You can tell because it's not really mixing it that good. And mix it all the way over here. It smells like our baby Tide that we lose.
Ice cream.
Oh, we lose all that.
Enough.
That's it. You should add some more in there. I'm going to add some in here. I'm going to add a little bit because I'm going to add all of this. Oh, okay, really difficult to mix.
Yeah, it's really difficult because there's Tide on the spoon.
There's a lot of freaking... It feels weird. It smells like... Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't touch it.
Weird.
Dad, you gotta wash your hands. Your hands can be dirty. Baby, don't even think about it. Don't even put your hands in. What'd you do?
It's just glue.
Oh, can I go get some napkins? Go ahead and add some more. Okay, Kian, why don't you hold the camera? Let me do it.
I can't do that.
Oh.
I don't know all that.
Hold on, guys. We'll be back.
I'm going to get some activator.
More.
And I'm going to make slime in my hand. Make slime in my hand so it goes get off
Wait,
me.
I can get on the stirred. Hold on. No, baby, no more. All done. Kiana, so go wash your hands.
I'm making slime on my hand.
Baby, Kiana, Baby, go with Kiana so she can wash her hands.
Here's the one.
Go with Kiki. She go wash her hands. Go, Kiki.
Get that off me.
Baby, go, Kiki.
Let's go wash our hands. Let's go.
You got slime all over here.
I know.
Here, go with Kiki. Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands.
No.
Fine. Can't really see because the Tide's in the way. Oh, man. Can't shut the door.
Okay.
Here, let me see. Let me stir it.
Whatever.
I'll stir it.
Enough.
Look at all this slime.
It's huge.
I know, it's so big.
It's like probably the biggest slime.
No, other people make way more bigger slime.
No, it's probably the biggest slime we ever made, right?
Oh, go wash your hands. Go take Bebe to wash his hands.
Yeah, I can do that.
Look at all that slime. Be careful.
Wash your hands.
This is so hard to stir slime. So you can hear them in there.
stir in the slime. It's not really turned out to slime because we need a lot. No, it's better, but let's see how it's going.
My hands hurt.
They're happy. Okay. I got a little bit of activator. This is Baby's first slime making slime. It's so cute. We should actually do
guys, the day the slime is missing.
Okay.
Look at that.
This is actually his first time making slime. And we should do more videos of him making slime, but sadly we don't have no more glue. There's a little bit more glue in there, so we could probably
Barely.
a mini slime, but
Slime?
yeah.
Cow.
It's kind of slime-y, but it's more
Hold the spoon, baby.
slime.
Hold it.
And
Hold on, let me get the slime
yeah.
off.
We need more activated. Ready? A little bit.
No, okay, that's good.
Yeah. And we're making it in this pot.
Start the slime.
We don't have any.
Okay, Kiana, stop touching it. Need to wash your hands?
Yeah.
Let me
we'll
get
wash the
together.
hands.
Sorry for being bossy. I didn't mean to. It's just so.
Guilty.
Oh, yeah, I'm mixing this in.
Put the spoon right there. Kiana, take a spoon out.
Take the spoon out.
Yeah, hold it, hold it. No, dirty. My back.
We're gonna take a part of the slime and we're gonna make like a.
Okay, add some more Tide.
Okay.
Ow.
That's enough.
Yep. This is a lot of slime. What happened? Can I go with him to
I made a little bit.
Can I go with him? Go with him. Go with him. And shut the door, Can I shut the door?
Okay.
Alright, so when they're going to go get a Band-Aid, because I think my brother hurt himself, so I'm just going to finish kneading this real fast. This is like a lot of glue left. If I would have knew this is so much glue, I wouldn't have probably did this all. Look what a gallon of glue does. But afterwards, the slime's pretty good, so. I need more Tide. My bag's aching. Alright, so looks like my other hand is kind of clean, so I'm just gonna, oh shoot, spill a little bit. Okay, add it all in and then stir it.
Okay, Bubby left to tell Mom he has an owie, and we gave him a Band-Aid.
Can I? Oh, I don't.
Okay, it's just.
We don't need it anymore.
Carpet
'Cause
anyways.
my hands are aching. I'm just gonna get to it.
Oh wow. Okay, I think it's ready.
We're just gonna keep kneading it until all that
It smells like the baby activator.
Dawn dish soap goes away.
It smells like the baby activator. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is already slime. I need it. This is already slime.
Okay.
It's always easier
okay.
to just take a piece and just
Hold
make
on,
it
let me-
into slime.
Let me keep kneading it.
And take a piece and knead it into slime. And it works for me. See, I'm kneading it like a piece. It's you got the cat. Imagine if you put the cat in there.
Can I cook it? Alright, it's almost off my hand.
Okay, this is kind of like slime.
Alright.
It's squirted on
The
the camera.
slime is officially
This is
done.
Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. I'm gonna still be a big slime. We're just probably gonna get.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, this is what the slime looks like. it's all.
Okay, say bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Hi guys.
Bye.
Say hi. Say bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.